Hey guys, another sweet score on the TikTok shop. This is from Vevor. It's their little sawmill. It's like an Alaskan sawmill. It'll accommodate up to a 42-inch bar. It comes with a 9-foot rail setup also, but I'm cutting a short piece of chestnut here, so I don't need it. I just cut a flat top on it, and we're gonna see what this chestnut looks like. All right, here we go. We'll see what she looks like. I cut 2-inch, I set it on 2-inch. Woo! Look at that. Boy, that thing works good. I'm gonna make some sweet tabletops or something, or some benches. If you're looking for a little sawmill, get you one. The link's down below. Vevor's got you covered. That thing's super nice. I've got some chestnut here. I've got some madrone and some oak and some redwood over there. Hit that link down below. Vevor's got you covered. The little sawmill works great. Very nice.